Friends, good morning. Hope you are doing good. Good morning to everyone. So today we will discuss a very important function, choose function that is used to create the tables, how many columns and rows we want. We can move from left to right, right to left in the table. It's an important function, but this could be handled by other functions of Excel as well, like Power Query. So let me quickly explain you how the choose function works. So today we are going to say the choose function in Excel. It just creates a virtual table. So say for example, I select my range here and let me apply this choose function. You see here how this works. See, the choose function goes this way, and I want to have my one, two, three, four columns here. I want four columns, so one, two, three, four. Let me close the curly braces, comma. So now I want a number of locations as my first column. Let me pick this first, then a comma. Now I want quantity sold as my second column. Let me comma. Now I want production as my third column, and I want salesperson as my fourth column. You see, now this is moving from right to left or left to right. Anything you can do, guys. It's quite easy. Now, let me close this table and see how this works. And you see, guys, how easy it is. So you can switch between the rows. You can move the rows, move the columns. So you can apply choose functions, but you can apply choose functions with other functions of lookup also. And there's a great functions to learn, guys. So I think this will help you guys. So stay tuned to my channel and subscribe my channel. Slowly we'll deep dive into more advanced features of Excel, and slowly we will move towards the data science and learn new tools. Thanks a lot, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead.